I've been in Banos for a few hours now, and it's already way better than the capital city. Here in the middle of the town, there's a waterfall. So I mean, that's pretty chill amongst other things. So it's kind of my first stop on my adventure. I got some whitewater rafting tomorrow, as well as some paragliding in store. So I'm excited to see how that goes. The food's really good. People are chill. Definitely a lot going on here that's unique. That's the way she goes. Alright guys, so I got a haircut and that cost me about $4 total. So that was really cool, because usually in Canada it's kind of getting up to you know, the 30s and 40s. But I'm on a bridge right now and I thought I'd show you the view. You can see two waterfalls there in the distance, and it's just overall nice place here. A lot of stuff to do. I'm excited for tomorrow. Cheers. Alright guys, so I woke up bright and early for an adventure today. It's gonna be pretty awesome. So here's kind of the town square, if you will. There's some nicer spots too, but I'm in a little tree house. So I mean, if you come to the downtown, you kind of lounge around here and climb this little tree house, and that'll be a good little rip for you. If you want to do anything fun when you travel, you gotta wake up real early. That's how you do the fun stuff. So here we go. All right, so we're whitewater rafting in Ecuador. I don't know how much I'll be able to record of it, but I'll give it a go. It was 30 bucks for a half day, so that's decent. Level 4 rapids, let's give her. All right, so we had a rafter fall in. Pretty good stuff out here. Anyways, we do have a man down though. Looks like we're stopping for a bit. Yeah, this guy's seriously down. We're going to be here for a bit. It is decent rapids though. It's a good time. Except they lost 2 guys. Went overboard at the same time in a pretty level 4 area. I think he took on some water and got the shit kicked out of him. And he's been down there for like 15. Oh, just take a nap in the water. I think we have an ambulance coming, so I think we're waiting for a while, but I decided to get to some higher ground and show you guys some better views. Yeah, that's some of the Pastaza. I forget the name of the river. That's some of that in Ecuador. It's some nice territory. And we wait and then we continue forward. Oh. Just the boys. Yeah, away she goes. They gotta portage it. It's too shallow. So I took a portage trail. I don't think anyone's following me because, I don't know, they decide to walk on the coast, which makes no sense, but it is what it is. All right. So that's it for our whitewater rafting adventure. We only had one guy drown a little bit, but overall it was a good go. Rapids kind of like this. A bit bigger, level 4, but overall I'd recommend for the 30 bucks to come out here. I mean, you're getting a huge discount at what you get in a North American or European country, right? So have a hoot.